Are your NFC not working on your Samsung phone? It's important to fix this because NFC helps with quick payments and easy device connections. Don't worry, here are some advanced steps to solve the NFC issue in your Samsung phone. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, open Settings, tap Connections, scroll down, tap More Connection Settings, turn on Nearby Device Scanning. Now try the following settings. Solution 1. Turn on the NFC Stack Debug Lock. Go to the settings again, scroll down to the bottom, tap Developer Options. Make sure to turn it on. Scroll down again, find out the NFC Stack Debug Lock. Turn it on. Solution 2. Clear the NFC cache. Go to settings again, scroll down, find out Apps. Tap on it. Tap on the filter icon from the middle right side. Toggle on the Show System Apps, then tap OK at the bottom. Now tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Type NFC, tap on it, scroll down. Tap Storage. At the bottom, you'll see the Clear Cache icon. If you see this option is bolted to your phone, then tap on it to clear the cache. After that, check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3, check your software update. Go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If you have any update available, then install it. Solution 4, reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General Management, scroll down again, tap Reset, scroll down, now tap Reset all settings, then tap Reset settings, again tap Reset. Wait for a while. If this video helped you, please tap the like button. Got any questions? Just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.